Welcome to Cinema Seat Allocation, LeetCode 1386. A cinema has n rows with 10 seats each. Some seats are reserved. We must seat as many 4-person families as possible. Each family needs 4 adjacent seats in one row, and a row can hold at most 2 families. Today we learn the valid blocks, dry run an example, then write the greedy code. You get n, the number of rows, and reserved seats, a list of already taken seats. Each reservation is a row and a seat label from 1 to 10. Return the maximum number of 4-person families you can place. Families must sit in 4 adjacent seats in the same row, following the cinema aisle rules. Only 3 blocks are legal for a family. Left, seats 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle, seats 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, seats 6, 7, 8, 9. Seats 1 and 10 are edge seats. They never form a family block by themselves. Remember these 3 windows. A row can take at most 2 families. The best case is left and right together. Middle overlaps both, so you cannot take all 3. Greedy rule. If left and right are free, add 2. Else, if left or right or middle is free, add 1. Otherwise, add 0. Example. N equals 3. Reserved seats, row 1 seats, 2, 3 and 8. Row 2 seats 6. Row 3 seats 1 and 10. The answer should be 4. Let's dry run each row. Row 1. Seats 2, 3 and 8 are reserved. Left is blocked. Right is blocked. Middle 4 through 7 is free, so add 1. Row 2. Seat 6 is reserved. Left 2 through 5 is free, but middle and right are blocked, so add 1. Running total is 2. Row 3 only reserves edges 1 and 10. Left 2 through 5 is free. Right 6 through 9 is free. Because both ends are free, add 2 families. Total is 1 plus 1 plus 2, which equals 4. That is the answer. Important. N can be up to 1 billion, so never loop every row. An empty row with no reservations always fits 2 families. Start the answer as 2 times n minus the number of touched rows. Then only process rows that appear in reserved seats. Algorithm. 1. Group reserved seats by row using a set. 2. Set answer to 2 times n minus touched rows. 3. For each touched row, check left, right, and middle. 4. If left and right are free, add 2. 5. Else if any block is free, add 1. Time is order m, space order m, where meters is the number of reservations. Here is the full Python solution. Build a default dict of sets for reserved seats per row. Initialize answer as 2 times n minus the number of reserved rows. For each row set, test left, right, and mid with set intersection. If left and right are free, add 2. Else, if any one is free, add 1. Return the answer. The block checks use set intersection. Left is free when the intersection of seats 2, 3, 4, 5 with reserved is empty. Same idea for right 6 through 9 and middle 4 through 7. Prefer left plus right when both are free, because that gives 2 families instead of 1. Quick second example. N equals 2. Reserved, row 2 seat 1, row 1 seat 8, row 2 seat 6. Row 1, left free, right blocked plus 1. Row 2, left free, right blocked plus 1. Total 2. Same greedy rules on every touched row. Key takeaways. Only blocks 2 to 5, 4 to 7, and 6 to 9 are valid. Max 2 families per row using left and right. Empty rows always add 2. Only scan rows with reservations. Greedy, plus 2 if both ends free, else plus 1 if any block free. Time order meters even when n is huge. That is cinema seat allocation.